Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes. Today we've got for sale this stunning Kawasaki ZX10R. Mega nice bike is this one, super clean. So this one's a 2016 on a 66 plate and it's done 3,296 miles. These are a proper weapon out of the factory. As you can see there, it's got M50 brembo M50 Monobloc brakes. You've got big piston Showa balanced forks, brembo master cylinder. This one's got ASV levers. It's got a Akrapovic carbon exhaust and decat. It's got a tail tider. Also got some R&G protection on it. So with these, adjustable ABS, adjustable traction control. It's got power modes, quick shifter. You can have these mapped on the dyno and you can actually have the auto blipper mapped into it so you can go up and down the gearbox without using the clutch really. So I'll give it a quick fire up for you. Sounds awesome. They've got titanium headers and with that decat and the pipe it's more or less just having a straight through race system. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself down to Jordanbikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.